Now, if you're like me and really enjoy nailing it when it comes to audio sounds, especially when it comes to OBS you want to be on point with all the time, you know? It's something that you stream with, you record with, and everything that you hear and the audience hears is going to be through that system. So, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Chazbarian Studios. I'm your host, Chaz. Today I'm going to show you how to use audio ducking within OBS Studios. Now, for those of you that are familiar with ducking or Premiere Pro in general, Final Cut, or any editing software that probably should have ducking, I believe, Premiere Pro has auto ducking. Now, I thought to myself, that's interesting. If Premiere Pro can have auto ducking or ducking in general, what's to say we can't use that for our live streams, right? Now, I have seen a lot of live streams out there on Twitch and stuff like that that have this kind of like organic feel to it. Like when they're talking, the volume of their background music goes down. And then once they stop, it goes back up. That's what we're going to do today. That's exactly what I'm going to teach you guys how to do because I've been dying to learn how to do this and I finally got it down pat. It took a little tweaking, took a little, fixing and minor adjustments here and there, but I feel like I finally got it down pat. I did it on my last stream, my last live stream, and it worked perfectly. So you too can get this done. Now, itching a go-go, baby. Let's go. All right, let's open up OBS Studio. If you haven't already, make sure you have your microphone and any other source that you want to add for your scene. In the audio mixer panel, you can see all your audio sources. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on two sources, just the microphone and the video capture device. Now, like I said before, this does work for your desktop audio as well. Just use the same method that I'm using for the video capture device. Now, to set up audio ducking, we need to add a filter to our background music source. And in this case, the background music source is going to be our video capture device. Click on the little three dot icon, click on filters, and already you'll see I have already made one called ducking. Now, what I will be doing is I'll delete this right here so that way you can see what I'm going to do from scratch. Now onto your filters, go into audio video filters, then click the plus icon. Once there, click on compressor. This compressor, you can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name it ducking. Ducking, baby. Press OK. And these will be the defaults for your audio ducking. All right, now let's start with ratio. Ratio is basically this determines how much the background music volume will be reduced by. So I like to keep mine roughly around the 8 mark. The highest I'll probably go is 10 to 11. But 8 is, I find, for me, is pretty solid. Now, threshold, this is the volume level at which the compressor will start working. So set this to around 44, because that's where my voice starts, actually going in. So we're going to set this at 44 instead. Now, for attack, this is how quickly the compressor will start reducing the volume. A setting of roughly 201 milliseconds works for me. I have tried anything. I've played around with going low and that didn't work out at all. So the highest worked better for me. So either the 150 to 250 range for me. Now for release, this is how quickly the volume will return to normal after you stop speaking. I would normally set this high around 900. It will give you that sound of once you start talking, the music stops, and then once you stop talking, the music will will raise back up. So that's a good feeling to have, that kind of organic sound. But yeah, 900 to 800. If you want to play around with it, you could go 800, but 900 range worked really good for me, as you heard in the beginning of the intro. Output gain is basically, you can leave the output gain alone. That's something we We don't touch that. I never touched this, and I tried it once and I felt sorry for myself. But yeah, now the most important part, the only thing that's going to make this work is this setting down here. Okay. Sidechain ducking source. This is the most important setting. Now you click the drop down and select your microphone as the sidechain source. Right now, whatever you have your microphone set up as, that's what you set up on to your ducking source. Now you close it, and we're going to hear this once more. And that's it. You successfully set up audio ducking in OBS Studio. Now, whenever you speak into your microphone, the background music will automatically lower in volume, making your voice clear and easy to hear. So I'm going to show you guys a quick example real quick. Let's flip it. All right, and here we are, folks. KLM Radio, your nonstop station for nonstop radio. And this is what works for me. This is a great setting. I personally use this for my streams now, and you're going to hear a major big difference in quality, especially if you have a microphone or, and you're just trying to use it to the max. Now, I do have settings for the microphone as well that I can go over with you guys in a separate video if you guys want me to put that up. But yeah, this is how it sounds, baby, for the video capture card. So for those of you that are on Elgato or Streamlabs or stuff like that, by all means, try this out. Hope you found this tutorial successful for you, and if you did, be sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or video suggestions, by all means, leave it in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I read them. Thanks for watching, and keep on being creative, baby. It's been your boy, Chazberry, signing off. Catch you later.